Apple iPhone SE 2, iPhone 9 released April 15th. The affordable iPhone 9, the successor to the 2016 iPhone SE, is reportedly priced at around $349, or $399. The next Apple iPhone SE 2, the iPhone 9, which replaced the iPhone SE in 2016, is one of the most anticipated smartphones of the year. However, the launch was delayed due to an outbreak of coronavirus. Earlier, Apple was expecting the announcement of a new 2020 product line, including mid-range products, iPhone SE 2, iPhone 9, but apparently, if a tweet from Tipstar John Posse tells something, the company may have changed its mind. If the tweet is credible, the company held an internal meeting at which the iPhone SE 2, iPhone 9 will light on April 15th, but decides that shipments will begin on April 22nd. Coronavirus pandemic continues to dominate the world, but it is still unclear whether the technology giant will hold an online event to launch or simply announce the product in a press release. John Posse. iPhone 9 update. Yesterday, at an internal meeting, Apple was preparing for the April release. Indicative dates. Announcement April 15th. Shipment on April 22nd. Keep in mind, we are in the middle of a pandemic, and everything can change. Reports show that affordable iPhones range in price from $349 to $399. The successors of the iPhone SE are also expected to have a 4.7-inch LCD with the same faceplate as the iPhone 8, and a capacitive touch-sensitive ID sensor on the front panel. In addition to the iPhone SE 2, the mid-range iPhone 9, Apple plans to launch the new iPad Pro in the coming months, which was originally announced in March. It is reported that the 9.7-inch iPad Pro has a faster processor and a better camera than the previous iPad Air 2.